Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Phase 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the lower button. After the menu opens, you can use the crown button right here, the rotating crown, to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, select the option called Do Not Disturb mode. Looks like this, the bell icon, and to enable the mode simply press the crown button and it will say notifications turned off, and once it goes back to the menu you will see the icon changed. It's crossed out bell and also it says Do Not Disturb mode on. And that's how you enable the mode, and once you're done you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And to disable the mode, open the menu by pressing and holding the button, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon again and press the button to disable it. It will say Do Not Disturb mode off once you do, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.